So you want to change your password in Apricot. So in order to do that, first you need to log into the system using your existing password. Once you successfully log in, this is what the homepage in Apricot looks like. If you want to change your password, you're going to take your mouse and you're going to go to the upper right-hand corner. You're going to hover over this downward facing arrow and click on it, and then you will see Change Password. Click Change Password. And now you're going to see this screen. So you're going to have to type in your current password, a new password, and then you're going to have to click change and also make sure that it's an appropriate strength level in order to successfully change it. So first you're going to have to type in your current password. And then you're going to type in your new password. Now, the new password requirements are that it has to be at least 5 characters long. And there's also a couple other requirements as well. One is that it needs to contain at least one number, and then it also needs to contain at least one symbol. And finally, the password needs to be considered at least moderately or very strong. And you'll know how strong it is because this bar down here will light up and it will either be low, medium, or high. It needs to be considered medium or high for you to successfully change. So I am going to type in a new password. And so you can see this is considered moderately strong, and so I should be able to change my password. And indeed I was. The password was updated successfully and it took me back to the home page. That is how you change your password in Apricot.